Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today in this video we will tell you about the world first mobile phone. The world's first mobile phone maker was an American engineer, Martin Cooper, and the company that made this phone was Motorola. The first cell phone call was made on April 3rd, 1973 on a New York road. The first mobile phone made in 1973. The first mobile phone cost was $3,500. Most of this phone was made up of battery. Battery life was only 20 minutes. The phone weighed 850 grams and it weighed so much. This phone was so heavy that no one could hear it for long. The purpose of making this phone improving communication between doctors and staff. This invention brought protection to the peoples in 1983. Mobile phones began to be sold on a commercial basis. This phone stored 30 numbers. It was 22.86 centimeters long, 4.44 centimeters wide, and 12.7 centimeters thick. The duration of his talk was 20 minutes and it took 10 hours to charge. Motorola was the most researched company on mobile and the company spent $100 million from 1973 to 1983. Motorola also made a video in 1980 that showed how to use a mobile phone. The first call from the first cell phone was made by Martin Cooper to his friend Joe Angel. Today, more than half of the world's population owns a mobile phone. 35 years later, such a big change has taken place. If the mobile service is shut down for a while, then there is a silence in the world. So in today's era, mobile phone has become a necessity.